Today I'm installing something I've been wanting to add to this space and patio, and that is a bigger outdoor waterproof TV, and this one is the brand new Sylvox 65-inch Frameless Pro Series outdoor waterproof TV. The first thing that stood out when I pulled the TV out of the box was how clean the design looks. Compared to the non-frameless models, this one doesn't feel bulky or industrial. It looks much closer to what you'd expect from a modern indoor TV just built for outdoor conditions. Once it was mounted from the ceiling, that thinner profile really made a difference. It doesn't feel like this giant block hanging overhead. It blends a little bit better into the space. And with that frameless look, the screen becomes the focus instead of the frame around the TV. And I love putting it on this rotating mount setup, turned toward the place that I want it to be showing. When we're sitting around the fire table, we rotate it over towards the patio. But when it's time to jump in the hot tub, I turn it around, and now it's perfectly positioned to watch from the water, all done through remotes. And because this TV is designed to be slimmer than older models, it works really well in this kind of suspended setup. Now let's talk about something every outdoor TV needs to handle, and that's water. This model has an IP56 waterproof rating, which means it's built to handle rain, splashes, dust, the kind of stuff outdoor gear deals with all the time. And we definitely have that here in Tucson, Arizona with our monsoons and dust storms. And with the hot tub right there, water exposure is pretty much guaranteed because we can get a little wild in the hot tub. Oh, but what's that, babe? Okay, I won't talk about that. Anyway, it's fun to watch videos and not worry about water issues with your TV. This thing has the kind of durability you want in something that's going to live outdoors. One thing I was very impressed with is how it performs in outdoor bright daylight. Outdoor TVs usually struggle in bright situations, but this one rated at around 2000 nits, which is exactly what you need when the sun is hitting the patio. So even watching during the day, the screen and picture stays very vibrant. And with the anti-glare coating that's on this TV, there's a noticeable difference when viewing this outdoor TV compared to others. And the viewing angle are wide enough that people sitting around the patio can still see the picture clearly without everything washing out. So if you've got a wider or bigger space, angle viewing is no problem with this TV. Now, night viewing is another situation that we love to use with this TV. Rotating the TV back over towards the hot tub and watching from the water feels like having a backyard theater, but with a hot tub in the theater. The 4K resolution looks sharp, and HDR content really pops off the screen once the sun goes down. The built-in speakers are also extremely strong, and I was quite surprised with them. You can get sound bars like I've got here directly from Sylvox that mount directly to the TV, which give you even more sound, and they're quite impressive. It also has Google TV completely built in, so you can access your Netflix, your Hulu, you name it, you've got it right inside the TV. I've also got an Apple TV hooked up here, but the native Google TV gives you that Disney Plus, the Prime View, and all the other stations that you want to watch. No extra boxes actually needed, but you do have additional HDMI ports to plug those in. You've also got Google Assistant built in, which makes searching for shows or launching apps quick and simple. The TV isn't just waterproof, it's designed to handle temperature swings too. And boy, do we have temperature swings here in Tucson, Arizona. Between the weather resistance, brightness, and durable design, it's built for real outdoor use, not just occasional backyard viewing. And I've actually been testing and reviewing Sylvox TVs here on my channel for several years now, and even the very first one that I got is still working beautifully. After getting this one all installed and spending time with it, a few things do really stand out for me. So in this space, it's been awesome to swing the TV around between the patio and the hot tub, but just putting this on your wall or hanging it from other mounts that Sylvox directly sells for it is going to be a winner. And personally, I'm not trusting my backyard to any outdoor waterproof TV other than the Sylvox brand that I've come to love and trust. Now, if you want to get more details on all of the series and models that they offer, I've got links in the description of this video here, of course, and you can go check those out right now. But do let me know in the comments below, do you guys have outdoor TVs? What models do you have? And does it actually really matter whether or not they're waterproof? I'm gonna say yes, but I'd love to know what you say.